up guys at maglalaro tayo neto Animal Hospital. Lalaro ko na to dati sa other account ko. Tara Giselle, dito tayo. Dito Giselle.
Okay, here. Fine.
Tara. Oops, stand down. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Okay, I'll wait. Ow! Aray ka!
What?
Aray ka! Tinumba mo ako! Lalaro ko na to dati. Ito lang mga kailangan ulit. Ay, nagbago na yung herbs. Saka, ay, drop gun. Same lang ba?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Parang nag-iba. Parang nag-iba lang.
What? Can I see?
Parang
I wanna see
lang,
this.
may ayna kasi dito sa gitna eh.
Kanina pa yan.
Oh, di ko nakita. Room 1?
Yeah, room 1.
Ang una, herbs. Ay, wow.
Second, the eye drops.
Bago to ah. Bagal. Correct. Okay, next eye drops. Normal. Ha? At meron pa. Tapos yun. At lumipat. Ha? Dito talaga nakalagay. Alam ko ito eh. Bawal to box yun eh. Beb, ano kailangan? Eye drops? Okay. Tapos na. The doctor. Hala. Dati deer yan eh. Ngayon parang kalabaw na. Akaw. It's zero. Bilis. Oh, ready na yung coffee, Giselle. Oh, coffee. Tapos na yung coffee.
Okay.
Excellent. Bruh. Uy, bakit parang may ano ka dito? Snake. Dito. Ito, parang snake. Ears.
Bro, that's my ear.
Uy! Uy! Oh my God!
Oh no. Close it.
Bawala ka dyan.
I'm
Bye-bye,
fine.
bro.
I'm fine.
Bye-bye. 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 Uy, ito yung secretary, oh. Diba ito yung normal secretary?
Yeah, Ron.
Si Ron.
No. Yes. Counting.
Dito nakalagay yung taser eh.
Taser,
Ito
taser.
yung camera. Tingnan mo naman.
Extinguish. Oh, extinguish is still not there.
Kasi wala pa. Wala pang mga emergency. Di ba meron din dapat dito?
Look at Ron.
Hindi ganyan yun eh.
No, just kidding.
Register. Ba't parang nagbago yung ano na to? Hindi naman ganyan yun ah.
Yang?
Oh, ito. Ganyan ba yan? Nalimutan ko.
Yang ano?
Bra.
Ay.
Ito straight lang.
Straight posture.
Oh, picturean. Oh, picturean mo.
Wait. I'll check the camera. Okay, kita the camera.
Normal. Kailangan pa natin mag-check sa camera eh.
Yeah. Because it feels like with black eyes or something, right?
Ba't di ako makapasok? May butas naman na.
Yung 5,000.
Yung items. Ay, di pa tapos na? Ay, nalimutan ko si Ron. Nalimutan ko si Ron.
Oh, where's Ron? Oh, Barney!
Huh?
The dinosaur is here.
Ibigyan mo siya ng coffee. Tapos na ako. Nabigyan mo na?
No, I don't have coffee.
Ha? Di ba kumuha ka kanina dito?
No, but I
Inubos mo
drank
na
it
lahat?
all, yeah.
Ako na to, ako naman.
No, mine.
Ako naman
Mine. Ay, no, just kidding.
One.
No, why did you get my coffee? I'm only 1% sanity.
Okay. Person. Bra, stop lacking. Bra. Bra.
Ay,
Bruh.
you're tickling me. You're breathing me. You're itchy me.
Huh?
I mean, you're...
Stalker? Wala akong nakitang stalker ah. Ba't ka stalker ano?
He disappeared for 1 second.
Wala akong nakitang stalker ah.
What? There's a headbanger.
Huh?
There's a bang.
Huh?
A bang glass.
Iniinis mo ako. Kaya ako uuntog dyan eh. Nangyari sa mukha ko. Ano?
Bruh! Treat remaining 1,000 patients.
Yan. Ay, siya lang papasukin ako eh.
There's a new patient.
Huh?
There's a new patient.
Yun.
Bro, there's a new patient. Go check it.
Na.
Yes, check me. Ay.
Na. Ano to? DDT. Alam ko na lahat. Kasi nakita ko na dati. Palagi.
Ay, please.
Next tao.
Excuse me for
The doctor. Please come in.
Ay.
Sayang. Okay. Ano yan, boss? Ngining. Wala kulay pink ako.
Pink? Yeah, your color pink.
Extra. Use natin to.
Yung
Extra.
check-in window.
Oo, para pag tag-isa tayo.
Sige. But we don't have enough money.
Kulang tayo pera. Ito na lang, mas maganda to eh. Para
What's that?
mas matilis yung computer. Bagal-bagal.
How much money do you have?
128 na lang.
Oh, I have 158.
Isa, saraan.
Bruh. Wait. Camera.
Ayun. Normal sa camera.
Wait. Is, you know,
Normal.
he's
Kulay
good.
black na yung computer. Di ba kanina white?
Oh yeah, it was one.
Pinalitan ko kasi pampabili.
Oh. Station fire. This one right here. Here. No, don't. He's good. You are in charge. Oh, good.
Bakit yung room lang yung tamin?
I don't know.
Anong room yun?
I don't know.
7.
Room 70,000.
Hindi na pala ito gamitin. Ay, tagal din. Ay! Ito. Ay, isa. Alam mo, ano? Uy, sino yung tumaan dito?
I don't
Anomaly
know.
yun, anomaly.
I don't know who.
Anomaly yun. Yung tumaan dito.
Me. It was me. I farted. Ay.
Tinanong natin ng gun. Anomaly yun. Kasi nakikita ko sa TikTok anomaly. Ito ang pagkagat.
Ooh, anomaly. That one in room 7. Ay.
Okay, trust. Okay, give it a minute. May coffee ka.
2 coffees actually. Yeah.
Guys, at dito na muna mag-e-end ang ating video.